Italian Work Permits 2026. Your complete guide to applying with confidence, from documents to approval. Let's get started. Italy offers several types of work permits. Choosing the right one is the first step in your application process. Seasonal work permits are for agriculture or tourism jobs. Applicants must have a job offer for a fixed period. Highly skilled workers can apply if they have specialized qualifications and an employment contract from an Italian employer. Self-employment permits suit entrepreneurs or freelancers. Applicants must prove funds and a viable business plan. Healthcare professionals can apply with relevant credentials and a job offer from an accredited Italian institution. Prepare key documents: a valid passport, completed forms, job offer, proof of accommodation, and health insurance. Fill in the official application forms clearly and double-check all details before you submit. Submit your documents for the nulla osta, the essential authorization from Italian immigration authorities. After receiving nulla osta, book your visa appointment at the consulate or embassy in your country. Processing times vary. Seasonal permits often take a few weeks, while skilled worker applications may take longer. Stay patient during the wait. Track your application status online or via official immigration channels. Avoid common mistakes like missing documents or errors in your forms. Double-check everything before submission. Don't miss deadlines. Mark key dates for document submission, appointments, and renewals in your calendar. Now you have the roadmap to work legally in Italy. Apply with confidence and start your Italian journey.